This week we were looking around for a decent average price movie projector which might be suitable for PS4 gaming and movies, which has screen mirroring capabilities, and well, I think we might have found an affordable option. This is the brand new Yaber V2 mini portable projector. I was looking for something around the £300 mid-range category, but I did get quite lucky, to be honest. Not only getting this V2 projector today for £99, that's around 129 in US dollars, but as I was one of the first out of the first 100 to order this product today, well, this projector comes with a free 200-inch condenser projector screen sheet inside. Ooh! So, without further ado, let's get inside and let's open it up. Yep, inside the box we do indeed have that projection screen sheet. It does come folded, but also comes with these handy sticky back Velcro sheets to help affix it to your desired wall. We also have inside the box a HDMI cable for your PS4s, DVD players and laptops, etc. There's a 3-in-1 AV cable, so yes, you can attach external sound equipment if you wish. And we also have a power cord, a support base screw, which affixes to the projector, allowing you to use it on flat surfaces. We do have a lens cleaning cloth and a simple remote control which takes two AAA batteries. There is a usual but very detailed instruction manual, a warranty card, and inside this protective packaging we have the Yaber V2 projector itself, which looks rather nice. It feels very solid and looks very modern in this bright matte white colour. To the right side of this projector, there is a TF memory card slot. There's an earphone headphone port, an AV audio input, a USB-T port for wired screen mirroring, and we also have another USB port right next to it. There is an HDMI and VGA port, a power insert to the rear, with an infrared sensor to the left top corner, and some ventilation to the right, which we can see that 3-watt speaker just sitting behind. There is more ventilation just to the bottom with 4 sturdy thick rubber feet. Now there is a screw which can attach to a tripod should you wish, or you can simply use that supplied support base screw, so you can use this projector on a flat surface, placing it at an angle. Looking to the front, we do indeed have another IR sensor, so we should have good pickup from all angles from that signal from the remote control. Now we do have a lens cap covering, well, the projector lens itself, which when transporting this projector should help prevent any unnecessary damage. To the top of the unit we have a manual focus ring. We have keystone correction, which is also manual too, and some physical type buttons, consisting of the left and right move buttons, the return button, a source button, the OK and power button too. Now we don't know if this is backlit, we'll see very soon, but we do get an LED indication light just above. Now it is advised to place this V2 projector around about 2 to 3 meters away from a wall, so to get the best possible image quality. Now we're maximising the size today and trying to get to that 200-inch mark, so we're going to place it up on top of this tall extendable tripod. I'm going to screw it into place, attach all the cables, and we're going to first test it out during daylight. Turning this projector on, we are shortly greeted by that Yaber logo, followed by a simple menu. I'm actually surprised that the image is quite visible, being as it is very bright within this room today with the curtains wide open, and that is pretty much improved once those curtains are shut. Okay, it's not quite a full light sealed room with an image that is not only visible but projecting around that 200-inch mark on a cream coloured wall, and that is without that projection screen in place. Now it's very important when setting up this projector to place it upon a very equal leveled surface. Even though we do have that ketone correction, focus and screen tilt, patience in positioning this projector will help prevent edge screen colour washout and the blurring of on-screen text like subtitles. On that main menu we have video, music, photo and text options, which when a USB memory stick or memory card is inserted, you can browse stored movies, music and pictures, etc. We have the usual connection options like HDMI, AV, VGA and screen mirroring, which we'll go into real soon. We do have picture settings, colour temperature settings, aspect ratio, projection screen mode, which you can position the projector within certain angles and still get a clear picture. And yep, there is indeed a zoom setting too. Okay, we do have basic sound settings and factory restore options. After connecting a laptop via a HDMI cable, playing HD content on YouTube actually really surprised me. Projecting a clear picture with only the initial drawback being that the black colour tones don't seem to be as sharp or deep as I would like. They do have a bit of a greyish look. But like I said, that is projecting upon a cream coloured wall. We did decide to attach that supplied projector screen using those small sticky back Velcro strips, making sure it was precisely measured and placed to my desired eyeline level. Now, because that projection screen comes folded inside a bag, well, this screen has creases, so yes, it has vertical and horizontal lines. So we decided to try and iron them out, very carefully in fact, by placing a towel on top and not keeping the iron in any one specific area for too long. We didn't want to damage it. So yes, we tried our best. Okay, not all creases will go away right away, but once the screen is hung up onto a wall, they will indeed flatten out over time. Looking closely at the projector screen, well, one side has a very shiny side to it. Once the V2 projector is turned on, as you can see, the image is very much improved, working hand in hand. The colours are quite vibrant and very vivid once those user settings have been tweaked to your own settings. So yeah, use your own settings and not the standard modes included, and you'll get a better overall picture, as those built-in manufactured vivid settings are not perfectly set. Okay, those previously mentioned black colour tones are still not as deep as what I would like them to be. They are a darker shade of grey than before, although the image is still pretty much impressive. Gaming using a PS4 connected again by that HDMI cable is where we really wanted to concentrate on. There wasn't much lag that was noticeable whatsoever, and I would say that the image quality while gaming was rather crisp. But I would advise sitting 3 to 4 meters back, as sitting too close to the 200-inch screen, well, that image can become a slight bit blurry at times. You can decrease that size, basically by moving the projector forward, moving it closer to the wall, and that gaming image quality should very much improve. Still getting a 100 to 140 inch screen projection. Alright, screen mirroring. So rather than following the on-screen instructions, which actually did not work for me, well, for my Android phone that is, I did find my own simple way to connect wirelessly. Simply by pulling down that top bar on my mobile phone, selecting screen share or smart view depending on what phone you have, choose RKcast 180016, and within 12 seconds I was connected. Now yeah, you can connect a laptop this way too, but like most devices like TVs etc. that have mirror casting capabilities, mirrorcast can be a bit choppy at times, especially when playing games or videos, and that can be the same with audio too. If you are doing a slideshow or still picture presentation, it will be fine, but anything else, like watching movies, well, you will get some lag, pauses and pixelation. Other than that, physical connected devices like laptops, Android TV boxes, Amazon Fire Sticks, PS3 or PS4, well, they will have no problem. Watching movies is pretty good, Netflix is great, YouTube is fantastic, and with this particular projector, well, it has 5500 lumens, a 1080p 60Hz resolution, which I think has a very good picture that supplies between 50 and a 200-inch screen size. There wasn't any noticeable pixelation, the image quality is quite fluid in fact, everything looks very smooth, and obviously offers great angle visuals if for example you are sat to one side of the room. When it comes to the audio, okay, it does have a 3-watt speaker, you basically get what you get. You won't get much in the way of bass, but it does however have clear enough sound. As long as you don't venture into that maximum level, then the sound does get very much distorted, especially when playing movies. Yes, I would say that the audio is clear enough to enjoy a movie without that fan noise being quite obvious. The fan noise is not as bad as what I thought it would be. Is quite average, but you can connect external audio equipment if need be using that supplied cable or using a single 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable for mobile speakers. But I must say, while using a wired headset, while watching movies and playing games, well, the audio was a slight bit low for my liking, even after adjusting all the levels. Overall, I do like the look, presentation and image quality of this V2 projector today. For the price, this Yaber projector offers a package for enjoying action films with the family, with a cinematic gaming experience too. The remote control works great from all angles thanks to those two IR sensors to the rear and front of the projector unit, and it has good functionality with those physical selection buttons too. The only advisory would be to buy some more sticky back velcro strips and secure the projector screen better, as the 8 velcro strips that are supplied were not enough to stop the corners of the screen from occasionally coming away from the wall and dropping down. Other than that, it's been a pleasure testing this Rayfoto projector out this week, and if I was to rate this out of my usual rating out of 10 today, I've got to give this Yaber V2 movie projector a rating of 8 out of 10, and that is based within it being in the mid-range category. Anyway guys, I hope this video helped today. We'll certainly leave a link for this projector in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any way, you can check that link out if you want, and if you like what you see, well, go get yours. While you're there guys, in that video description, why not smash that like button? Please go ahead and subscribe, I'd very much appreciate it. And make sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Now I want to be doing some more unique videos coming very soon, so stay tuned too, and I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys on my very next video. Thanks for watching, and peace!